Okay, so link is a pointer linked to another node by the address. Okay, any link. You can see my cursor. This is link. It can link to another node by the address. Okay, by the address. So normally we call it linked list. The linked list, it has the header. This is the pointer header. Pointer header. Okay, so this is the nodes. So this is the data. This is the link. This link to another node by the address. So this is a data link list, a link to another node by the node address. Okay, until it reach to now. Reach to now means the link to now is mean end of the link. Okay, if the link to now or link to zero address, it means end of the link list. Okay, end of the link list. Okay, of course you can see if we go to figure 5.3. Okay, this is the node. You can see my cursor. This is the nodes. This nodes in the memory, it has an address 1200. This node in the memory, it has an address 1575. Okay, this is the address of the nodes. This is the address of the nodes. Okay, so if we want the head pointer point to the first node, then means the address must be copy assigned to the head pointer. Now you can see the head pointer has 120 address 1200. Okay, link to the first node. Okay, because the first node, the address memory block is 1200. Of course, as for the first node, it linked to second node by the address 1575. You see, 1575. So it will form header link to this node, and this node link to the next node. Okay, inside the nodes, it has data force 5. Okay, the second node, it has the data 65. Okay, next the last link node link to zero address means it's end of the link list. End of link list. End of the link list. Okay. Okay. So to create the nodes, okay, we can use the class or struct to create the nodes. Okay, this is also come out in the exam. Okay, we okay. Pay attention. Okay, so this is the struct. We use a struct to create a node. Okay, so this is the node type. This is the node we can name any nodes ABC, node XYZ. Okay, nodes and so on. This is the name. You can put any name. Okay, so this node, it has information. The information keep a integer value, and also this node, it has a pointer link. You see, pointer link used to point to the next node or point to the now. Okay. Next in the coding, if we want to start a node, you want to start a node, we need to declare a header. Okay, header. So the header must be pointer nodes, pointer nodes of pointer nodes. Okay. Okay, ini head. you put a star, means this is a pointer. You use to point to a node that has a node type. Okay, next. Okay, before we go on, any question? Any question? Hello, hello. Please respond. No question. Another question.
No, sir.
Sumarajin.
No question, sir.
Okay, we continue. Okay, next. Okay, of course, the header Google store address. Okay, the Google, sorry. Header the pointer head used to store the address of the first node, correct? You see, this is the header. It keep the address 2000. The 2000 is the address of the first node. Okay, the first node. Okay, so info store the information. Okay, you can put info, you can put XYZ and so on to store information. The information is in integer. It's up to you lah. You want to put float, you want to put string, and it's up to you what you want to put. Okay, so this node, next, the link is used to point to next nodes. Of course, then you can see the address is 2800 is the address of the next node. Okay, and so on until it reached to 0. 0 means end of the nodes. End of the nodes. Okay? Any question? No question, ah? Faham kah? Siapa ada main kereta api? Okay? Ini macam main kereta api. Okay? So to access the value, for example, let's say if you print the head value, it will show up the value 2000. If you head arrow info, it will show up 17, value 717. Okay. If you head link, it will show up address 2800 number. If you use head arrow, link arrow, info, it will show up this 95. Okay, correct? Okay, next. Okay, because you have one head pointer, always point to the first of the nodes. Right? Point to the first node of the linked list. Okay, but it's not enough for you to manipulate the linked list. So you need another node. You can have another node used to travel from one node to another node. Okay, we can call it current. Bukan current power. Ini current means the current pointer nodes. Okay, current pointer nodes. Okay, so this current is used to travel from one node to another node. Of course, the head always point to the first node, but the current they can move one node to another node. Why we need a current? Because we want to manipulate to access all the nodes inside the linked list. Okay, easy to manipulate lah. Okay, so we use current. Nampak? How to travel from one node to another node? You can run this code. Current equal to current link means current equal to current link means this address will copy to here. Then after that, this current will point to the next node. This is the way you change the current point to the next node. Okay? Okay? Okay. Next you can get the result. Okay, by using current. Let's say if the current node is pointing to here, means the current is 2000 because this is address 2000. Okay, if current info is 95 and so on. Okay, this is the way you can access these 2 pointer. Okay, current and head, you can get the result by using this arrow and link and so on. Okay, so travel. Okay, traversing a linked list means using the current to travel from one node to another node. So using this method, then we can do insert value, we can do the search, we can do the search nodes in the linked list, we can insert nodes in the linked list, we can delete the item that we want in the linked list. Okay, that means the current is used to travel. Let's say if you want to delete a node, a second node, so you move the current point to the second node. Then after that, you do the coding to remove the second node from the list. Okay, or you want to search. Let's say you have 1,000 nodes. You want to find a node that with info, let's say 20, for example. So you're using the current to help you to travel from one node to another node to find the matching, okay, value 20 until you reach the node. Okay, insert. Okay, you can insert the nodes in the middle, in the first node, in the last node, in the first node, or in the last node in the linked list. Okay, it's up to you. You want to insert where you want to insert the nodes. Okay, by using the current, you can travel and then get the nodes. Okay, to insert, delete, or search. Okay. So this is the way. Let's say for travel. Okay, current head. Okay, current head means now the header, what the header point, same as what the current pointed. Sorry, the current point now is what the head pointed. Same. Okay, so if this is the loop used to move the node, the current pointing node point to until it reaches to end of now. Point to now means until the current reach the end of the linked list. Okay, this is the loop. Okay, so we can use this method, and then you add some code, then you can print out all the value, okay, from the nodes, okay, in the linked list by using this method. Okay, by using this method. Next, you use to insert. Okay, the insert method. Let's say you want to play around how to insert the nodes. Okay, let's say then you create a node. You can create a node using this need. Create a node, and then you assign the value to the info, and then you add the nodes. Okay, through the current pointer. Okay, and then you can see the link. It will move to here. And then you get this 50, okay, inserted in the linked list between the 6.5 and 3.4. Okay, so this is insert nodes. Insert nodes. Okay, macam ini. Binding a linked list. Binding a linked list. Okay, unsort. Okay, never mind. We go through. So this is show you how to create the nodes using struct and so on. Okay, now using class also, we can using a class to create a nodes. Okay, using a class, this is class method to create a nodes. Oh, sorry, a class to create an object. Okay, linked list object. Okay, never mind. Print, length, receive, form, and so on. So this is, you have to be careful yourself. Next, I will go to a demo the linked list. Okay. Okay, you can search the nodes in the linked list, okay, by unordered linked list, okay. So unordered linked list means the nodes in the list is not sort in sequence, okay. It's not sorted in sequence, okay. It's randomly, okay. Let's say the number is 1, 3, 10, 7, 4, and so on. It's not in sorted list, okay. We call it unordered linked list lah. Okay. We come back. So this one you have to go through yourself. You try the example. Then I'll go demo the linked list to you. Okay, ordered linked list means the nodes has a key. So the nodes in the linked list are sorted by the key. Let's say the number is 1, 10, 5, 4, and so on. It's sorted by a key. A key. Okay. Next is we can have double linked list. You see, double linked list means here we need to use two link in the nodes. Okay, one link to point to next link, another link is point back to the previous nodes. Nampak? Okay, previous nodes. Ini link pergi sini, ini link pergi sini. That means it's slightly the phone number lah. You have your phone number, and your phone number also has your phone number. Okay, so you both link together. Okay, that means you can call your phone and your friend, and your friend also can call you. Okay, double link. Okay. Okay, for the previous one list, one link list is likely you have you using public phone to call your friend. Okay, after that your friend cannot call you because you are using public phone. You don't know where you are. Okay, your phone know where you are. So whatever when you want to pick up, and then okay, only you can call your friend, but your friend cannot find you. Okay, this is one link list lah. For double link list, you both sides have phone. Okay, so you can call your friend, and your friend also can call you. Okay, this is double. Of course, we don't limit to double lah. We can have triple and many lah. Okay, it's not limited to the two link list. Okay, we can have many. Next is we can have a circular link list. You see, this is no ending link list. Means the last link list link will link to the first nodes. That means it will make it like a circle. Okay, the end of the link list link to the first of nodes, so it make it one circle. Okay, circle. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to demo you the link list. You open the dev. You create a project using console, project 4, for example. Console. Okay, but you save into the project 4. Don't mix up with other project. 4. And you get 4, and then you double click it, empty, then you save it. Okay. Before you go through this one, you try run. Check whether your code is okay or not. Okay, try run. It will ask you to save the CPP man. Then nothing happened. Tara barang. Because this is new. Okay, next. We include this memory. This is memory library. Yeah. Okay. Then we try to create we're using a space. Dapat nampak. A space. Move on. We create a node using class. Using class, huh? Class kah? Nodes. So we put a public. It has public inside the card. It has public. Public. We put the integer value data. Okay. Next, we have a node. You see node, huh? Ini node. Sorry, nodes. This is node. Okay. We put node ABC lah. Node ABC. Okay. So this is node. We want this node linked to another node. Okay, so we put a link. We create a link. This is a link, huh? Link. Okay, we put a star. Link. Okay, star link. Okay, next, you try to compile it, see, okay, whether your code is error or not. Done, passing, no error. We continue. Okay, next, we try to play the notes. Okay, notes. Okay, first we declare the head first. Note head. ABC star head. Okay, we point to null first. Remember, def is cache sensitive. C is cache sensitive. Then we play the. We can have. Second node. Okay. And we can have node. ABC star third node. Okay, now we a node, create a first node, link to the head. Okay, we get a first node equal to new node ABC. Okay, now the head has one node. Okay, we try second. New node ABC. Now the second pointer has one node or so. Next is a third. New A, B, C. Okay. Okay. So, okay. We try to compile it. See what's happened. Compile. Error. Apa error? Public does not names a type.
Sir, bukan public kah?
Huh? Oh, public. Okay. Wrong spelling.
Bukan public.
L. Sorry. Tadi tidak error, boy. Sekarang ada error. Kenapa? We try compile. Okay, done. No problem. Semua happy. Okay. Now we continue. Okay, now we have one node. Every pointer has one node. One node. Okay. Now we assign the value to a node. So we had error data. See, mix campur. Data. Okay, this is data. Nampak? It's from here. Okay, from here. Data. We assign a value. 1. Okay, so we link the nodes. Now we link the nodes. We try link the first node to second nodes. How? Head error link. Pak dia dah keluar ni link. Okay, link to second. So link to second. This is link to second. That means now the head has a node. Okay, and then head link, this link also link to the second nodes. Okay, link to the second nodes. Okay. Then we assign the value. We want to assign a value to a second node. We set second error data to 2. Okay. So now we link the second node to third node. Okay. Link equal to third. Nampak? Semicolon. Okay. So now you can see the link. Head link to a node. This node link to a second node. The second node now link to the third node. Bam. Okay, and so on. We continue to assign the value third node. Third data equal to 3. Okay, the link apa? Ada link equal to now. Now means end of node. End of node. Okay. So now is okay. Link everything okay. Don't forget to save. Ini save. Sudah save. Then we try to compile it. See what happened. Tiada problem, no problem, warning, tiada problem. Okay, we compile it. Now you can see the head link to second, link to third. Again, the head nodes. Okay, the first node has data value 1. The second node data value is 2. The third node data value is 3. Now we try to print out. We want to print out C. Because we cannot see it. If you execute it, Thailand, we cannot see. Okay, we want to see what happened to the data that we work here around. Okay, so we try to print out the data. Okay, we try to print out the data. We create a function to print. We create a function to print. Void print linked list. So when we print linked list, we need to assign. We need to get the linked list passed to this function through the parameter. So we put node. We declare a link, a pointer, n, for example, test. Okay? Or we can put any name. Apa ni? M. Okay lah. Nice. Okay. Then we put. Don't forget to put a bracket. We try to compile it. Ada error kah? No error. Everything fine. We continue. So we print out the linked list. Okay. We put /n means next line. Huh? Now printing the linked list. Okay. We end the print end line. Now we use a while loop to loop the linked list while and not now. Okay, we go to loop m, sorry, m not now, this is m. Okay, we print out n m. Ini m ah. Error data. We put a space. Or we put a comma. Okay. Then we move the head to M to next. Link. Okay. Ini okay sudah? Because we use a function, we try to compile it. Masih okay atau tidak? Apa problem? English. Apa problem? Warning. Ada error kah?
Namespace, sir.
Mana namespace?
Using namespace std.
Using mana? using namespace SPD. Error cut. Kenapa tidak boleh ya? Kita cut kan? COT. Apa problemnya? CPD. IO stream. Okay. Any help? Kenapa tak jalan? Oh, okay.
So
Okay,
the
got it.
using namespace STD should be
Yeah,
on top.
sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, we try to run it. Semua okay, but masih no result because I create this function. Okay, we need to use it here. You put a bracket. Head. One, two, three. Nampak? Using head, I can print out 1, 2, 3. Okay. If using two macam mana? Let's try using second. I can print 2, 3. Because why? This pointer is point to the second one. Okay. Okay, kita coba. Okay. 2, 3, nampak? Because it start with this second. Okay, if we print third one. T21, T21, T21. Yeah. We try to bring back again. One, two, three. Okay. Any question? Any question?
Sir,
Yes.
the star means pointer, right?
The star is pointer. Means you declare this as a pointer. You display this is a
Okay.
pointer. When you see the star means this variable is used to point. Okay. It won't keep the data value. It keep the address. It's always point to the object.
Okay.
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 Okay. Okay. Next is push. Because you already create this new. Okay. Push 11. Okay, we try one function. Push. Track. Star. Pointer of pointer. Head. Different. New data. We put a star, a new node. We create a pointer used to point a new node. New to M location. Okay, memory location is used to allocate. Okay, to allocate the memory block to this new nodes. Okay. You can use this new method also, or you can use this one. If you use this one, it won't check whether the memory enough or not. Okay, but if you cannot, it will show you error. But this one is asked to request the memory block. If cannot success, it will return some error message, so that it can handle the error. Then your program, it won't suddenly prompt out insufficient memory and quit the program. Okay. Memory. Okay. Next. New. Error. Data equal to new oops. And new yeah. Link to head 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 equal to this is used to create a new node, put in the head. Yeah, put in the head. Yeah, insert the nodes, push in the head. Push mean kalau you masuk market, you push in. Okay, push in. So you push one value. For example, we want to push the head 11. We try to use push. We get the address of the head. And so that it can change the value. We insert the value. Then we try to reprint the result. Okay, we try to print the result. So the 11 will insert to mana? The first node. Okay. Insert to the first node. Okay. We try to run it. Abang. Data. Oh, sorry, new data. Sorry. Now you can see, first we print out 1, 2, 3. Second, we print out 2, 3. Third, we print out 3. And then the push, we add new value 11 to the first node. After we insert, then we reprint. You see 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Any question? You can see the result now become 11, 1, 2, 3. Okay. This is insert new nodes to the first, to the front of the linked list. Okay. Okay. Next. Okay. Let's say we have data. We can have another one. Integer info. Okay. Or we call price or quantity. I put a name, quantity. So after this one, then we have two data information in the nodes. One is data, one is quantity. So we can assign. Okay, we can assign two data. Let's say quantity. Okay, assign head data quantity equal to 100. Okay. Okay, we can have second quantity equal to 100, 200. Okay, we can have third quantity equal to 300. Okay, we make it turn. Okay, we close this one first. To print out. Still 1, 2, 3, and so on. Doesn't matter. Okay, we change the printout. You want to print let's say data okay. Okay. And put semicolon. From here we put semicolon. Put M dash T. Okay. Save it. Ada nggak? Error. Okay, sorry, we cannot have this because this is an integer value. We want to change it to booking. Nampak? Limit data quantity is 1, 100, 2, 200, 3, 300. Okay? 2, 200, 3, 300, 3 and 300. Okay? Now we have two values. Nampak? See? Okay, now we want to insert the second value. Integer new quantity. This one. Then we can open this one. Quantity is 1,000. Okay, we try to repeat it. Okay, run. 11, 100, 100, 200, and 300. Any question? Any question? Anything you want to test? Hello? Semua tidur sudah? Hello? No, Okay, I want to change this one. Why they use these two? Okay, if they use one, use one. Use one. Use one. Okay. Then here, use one. Okay, let's see whether it's show the same result. Okay. Sama ni result ni 11. Hilang sudah 11. You know why? Because whatever change to the inside the push, okay, inside the push is not means change the list outside of the linked list. Okay, whatever change here, it won't change the list from here. Okay. That's why you can see the result never show the 11. Still the same. Okay, still the same. So we need put back. And if you want to make change to the list inside inside the structure, inside the push and also outside, we need to put this one. Okay. Try. Run, execute. Now you can see 11 is inside. Okay, that means we successfully make change to the linked list by adding new nodes. Okay, without this one, we wouldn't change the nodes. Okay. Any questions? Any questions? No question, huh? Hello.
No.
Sir,
No, huh? Okay. So not. So can you try this code? Boleh, huh? I share this video, record in the YouTube. Okay, later on you go to try lah. Okay, so that's it. Any question? No question is we dismiss now lah. Okay.
sir,
No,
sir.
huh? Okay. Any question?
What is double star means
Okay.
inside the push function?
You can 3 star or 4 star. Okay, let's say if 1 star is just passing the linked list copy to M. So whatever M change in the function, it wouldn't affect the linked list outside of the function.
Okay.
Okay, but because this is push, this is a function. The purpose, this function objective is used to insert new nodes in the linked list. But if you apply 1 star, it wouldn't change the linked list. But but our objective is to change the linked list to add new nodes. So we need to have another star, means assign the address reference head to this, and then whatever change here to this is also affect the value, the linked list outside of the function push. Okay, so that's why just now we tested, if we remove all this, then the linked list, this new nodes, okay, not able to insert in the linked list. Okay, so after with this method, then we're able to insert this 11 and 100 to the linked list. Okay. Because we want to make change to the linked list, we want to insert new. That's why we use this method. For this one, we don't want to change the linked list, so we use just a 1 star method lah. Okay, 1 star method. Any question?
Okay, no more.
No more. Okay, so this is nanti keluar exam. Okay, thank you very much. No question. So we dismiss. Later I will upload this YouTube, and then you try at home. You try at home. You try to modify and so on. You make a test. You try to figure out. You put something. See what happened to this, the code, and so on. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Dia terus left kata.